boys and girls, welcome to today's online sensory class. I'm so excited to have you join me. My name is Miss Carla and today I'll be teaching you how to make something truly magical. It's cloud dough. Cloud dough is a soft and moldable sensory material that's perfect for sensory play. Check it out. It's like playing with fluffy clouds right in your home or classroom. But before we dive in, let me quickly introduce you to what we'll need for today's activity. We're going to go through the equipment and the ingredients. It's so simple. Okay, boys and girls, today you'll need an empty bowl, some measuring cups. I have a 1 cup and a 1/2 cup. You'll also need a spoon to mix, and a plastic container so you can store your awesome cloud dough in. Ooh, there's one more thing you'll need. Wipes for cleanup time. They're good for your hands and for your messy table. So for the ingredients, it's just 2 simple products. All it is some hair conditioner, just some inexpensive one, and some cornflour. It's gonna get messy. Oh, if you're wondering what this is, it's just pink paint because I think I'm going to put some pink just like the one I've made here today. You can choose any colour that you like or you can keep it white like a cloud. You're going to fill 1 cup of cornflour. Oh, did you see that mess? That's okay. That's what the wipes are for. We'll clean up later. Let's have some fun with it. So the 1 cup of cornflour goes straight into the bowl. Ooh, looks amazing already. But it's going to get even better because now we are going to put in the 1/2 cup of hair conditioner. So remember the other measuring cup? Check, it says 1/2. Now it's time to pour it in. If you need to use your spoon, you can. And just pour it. Ooh, whoa, 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 whoa. A little bit extra. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to simply put the hair conditioner straight on top. Just like that. Make sure you've got every single piece in there. Hold on to your bowl and it's time to mix. Oh, this is so much fun. Boys and girls, this is not edible, so do not be tempted to put it in your mouth. Keep mixing and mixing and mixing. In no time at all, this will be all combined and ready to have that playtime, just like the one I showed you before. So keep mixing, boys and girls. It's almost ready. Mix. Oh, it's pretty combined. It's combined really well. If you'd like to add in some colour, this is the time to do so. So I have my pink paint here. I'm going to squeeze some in. Woo! Pink clouds. I like some pink clouds. I like to use my imagination. And in the paint goes, and now it's time to mix. Oh wow, it's amazing. Almost there. Little bit of patience. If you have patience, fabulous. If you need someone to help next to you, get them to help too, boys and girls. Almost there. Okay. Oh, do you dare me to put my fingers in? Yes, you do. Wow. Oh, it is amazing. It feels like I'm floating on clouds. So it's a real sensory experience. So it's not Play-Doh, it's not slime, it's cloud dough. So it has a real cloud type texture. It's so amazing, it's so soft. A little bit messy, That's okay. We have the wipes. So there you are, boys and girls. 2 ingredients to make cloud dough. And it's endless playtime. You can roll it in your hands. You can even take it out and pop it straight onto the table. So this is my favorite part. Pop it on the table and enjoy the playtime experience. Wow. Amazing. What can you play with yours? Can you create a letter of your name? Can you create some shapes? It's endless. You create whatever you want, boys and girls. And it even has a nice scent. That's from the hair conditioner. Smells great. But just remember, it's not edible. It's not for putting in our mouth. And there you have it. Cloud dough. 2 ingredients. Lots and lots of hours of playtime. So boys and girls, there's that empty container. I'm going to pop it straight in there. I'm going to get every piece off the table. And I can keep the lid on. Just like so. And there you have it. It's a quite different shade to my other one I've made before. That's because I put extra colour in that. So the more paint you put in, the different colour hues you have. So here you have a soft pastel pink, and I love it. It's amazing, and I hope you love it too. Clean up your area. Clean up your area. Clean up your hands with some wipes, or you can go to the tap and wash your hands as well. Thank you for joining me today, boys and girls. I hope you had as much fun making cloud dough as I did. Remember, sensory play is about exploration and creativity. For further extension, you can experiment with different colours, textures, and scents to create your own unique sensory experience at home or in your classroom. Thank you for watching and joining in the sensory fun. Until next time, happy playing. Goodbye for now.